This video is to illustrate some of the features of es1. Okay, let's start with a simple E minus E minus simulation. I prefer to start this in the energy density mode, electric field density mode. And now it gets to see the exponential growth, green with a linear model. And when that curve turns over, we see the evolving donut characteristic of the two-stream instability. Okay, let's try something else. Here we're going to do a E minus warm sample. Let's take a look at the velocity distributions, Gaussian distributions. And now we'll show the electric field distribution. We can speed up this simulation by going to help for a second. And you notice we've moved along quite quickly in time. Looks like we got about three vortices appearing. A better way to see these vortices as bumps in the electric field, in the field potential. In this case, a little bit later in time, there's only one vortex there. Okay, let's now go to Landau damping. Again, we go to the energy density. Notice you can move the phase space plot, phase space plot over to the side with your finger. In the help, the formula for damping rate one expects here is given, and the simulation agrees pretty good out to the first few orders of magnitude. Beyond time 10, the simulation breaks down. The phase space distribution, of course, is just a single particle, and it's a hot electron, so it's spread out in phase space. Okay, the next thing I'd like to show you is a three-species part of simulation. Here's the velocity distribution. And now let's speed this up by going to help again. Now let's go a little bit longer in help. Now notice how the distributions have changed. And if we go to phase space, we see that the yellow particles seem to be trapped in the middle. Now from the model model function in the application, you can change all variables. So let's change the sign of this middle particle, yellow particle, to +1. And again, we'll speed it up by going to help. And things have changed. Let's speed it up a little bit more. Now notice the yellow particles are spread out through the field. Very interesting. Okay, and help, if you go to the File I/O section, you can in fact learn how to access solutions that you might save and transfer them to your friends.